Fall in the desert means cooler temperatures, and it's time to change your watering schedule. Let's talk about how I water less but smarter this season. In the summer, our plants need all the water they could get to survive the heat, but now that the days are shorter and cooler, the soil stays moist longer, so overwatering can actually hurt your plants. To adjust your drip irrigation for fall, prepare it for winter by draining it to prevent freeze damage, and make any necessary adjustments for the change in plants' needs, such as lowering the water pressure or adding new emitters if you're dealing with different plants. Right now, I cut back watering every 2 days to every 4 to 5 days, which saves us so much water. Native plants and succulents, they only need a deep soak once a week. This is because cactus and succulents store water in their fleshly stems. However, newly planted vegetation should be monitored and watered every 3 days. The bright green leaves is an indicator that the plants are healthy. As for my vegetables and herbs in grow bags, I always check the soil 2 inches down. And if you grow in containers, they usually need to be watered more often. Early morning is still the best time to water. It gives the plants a chance to soak it up before the sun hits. I also make sure my mulch is thick. It keeps the soil cool and locks in moisture. In the desert, the best thing you could do is use straw as mulch. Straw decomposes naturally and it doesn't attract pests. You will notice that the plants still thrive, just with less water. My soil is healthier and I'm saving gallons every week. With summer coming to an end and winter approaching, there's still so much green in the desert, which is why a lot of desert gardeners call this our second spring. This gives us so much time to do other gardening chores, such as pruning plants, starting a vermicompost bin, and planting cool season vegetables. You could also use your duck's water to water your plants. Duck water contains nitrogen, which a lot of the plants need. Some plants don't like too much nitrogen, so always make sure to check before you water. If you garden in the desert, now's the perfect time to adjust your watering routine. Your plants and your water bill will thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know down in the comments how much you water in the fall.